What's going on, everybody? Zane here, back with another video. For this one we have the absolute value sum minimization problem. Given a sorted array of integers called a, our task is to determine which element of a is closest to all other values of a. So I'm actually going to skip this part because I think it overcomplicates something that is not as hard as we might think. So if we just look at the example, if we're given this array here, 2, 4, and 7, all we need to do is for every element, subtract every element. So if x was 2, which is right here, we'll do 2 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 7 minus 2, and then add up all those values, we get 7. Then we take 4, do the same thing, we get 5, 7, we get 8. So 2, 4, 7 are the three values that we're using because these are the three values in the array. So after doing that, after subtracting each element with the element that we have, and then adding those differences, we get a return value of 4 right over here, because 4 has the smallest sum. So we skip this piece here because when we're considering a sorted array of integers, the one with the smallest sum will always be the median of a sorted array. So if we were to conceptualize this in code now, let's just take a look at the function. We have a return type int, and we're passing in a vector of type int called a. Just for my own personal preference, I'm going to rename this array. So now, how can we find the median of an array? Well, what we could do is we can take the size of the array and we can divide that by 2. Once we do that, what we want to now check is what does the program return, or what do we want the program to return? It says here that if we were to do all these calculations, we found out whichever one has the least sum, we want to return the actual number that's in the array that has the smallest sum. So we need to find some sort of value in this array that is the median. So if we have this value here, which is giving us the median of a particular list, what we'll want to do is find that value in our array. So all we would need to do is return the array at this location. Now, to account for our 0th index, we do need to do -1 here, and then put this in brackets, just so that it divides the -1 with the 2. So array.size -1, then divided by 2. So let's run this and see if it works. That's it. So I think the best way to tackle this one is just to conceptualize what is being asked rather than falling down a rabbit hole of how you can get this tackled. So that's actually it for this one. I'm going to keep it nice and short. So if you have any questions, comments, feedback, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, hit that like and subscribe button, show me some love, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.